Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A third bearish black crow yesterday, siding against both tradition and data for the previous session's hammer pattern. It was the lowest low and the second lowest close since December 2021. The market dropped down below not only September last year's low at 68.68, but also below the dark blue middle time, currently at 69.34 of the broken but now seemingly repaired April to July 2024 bearish shift pitch walk. It's been the showrunner for this market since last summer. Now, I'd previously indicated that we have a small bright green bear channel overhead formed over February, and that this can be seen as part of a bearish halfway hesitation. Hence, we had below a potential target X for such a pattern down in the 69.25 zone. Yesterday, the market reached this target X. Now, one final point I wish to discuss once again, and that is I have looked at the action since early September last year today, including the head and shoulders continuation pattern last year, plus the peak in January. And I can see this whole action as a possible, if lopsided, bearish cat's ears pattern. This would be a significant bearish pattern and would give a target in the X1 zone, below in the 64 even zone. Personally, I still think this might be a bit of a stretch, but that is what it is increasingly looking like it might be right now. So far today, a small seeming basing action on dark blue middle time right now, but not excessively so. Spot gold. An indecisive doji cross yesterday after the previous session's second bullish white soldier. I think the descriptive of indecisive is very apt for yesterday's action, as prices seem trapped at the end of the day by the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 29.17 and by overhead the broken lower time of the bright green late December 2024 end of February 2025 bull channel, and below by the breached, possibly broken, bright red upper time, currently 29.03 of the early September to mid-November 2024 bullish shift pitchfork. Now, yesterday's action tempers this week's strong reactionary move back up after last week's weekly key reversal down. So far today, well, an interesting move back down below the bright red breached upper time towards the lesser projected Fibonacci line at 28.87.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.